Zadati, the government will go for you.
Kopogore gi manatiri weche matimre county ma Bomet. Jopuonjre mawuok mbalariany ma Bomet onyiso luoro margi kaluwore kod kar choko taka ma sirkand county no gero machiegni kod skundno. Giwacho ni alwora no ema gitime tijegi mapile kendo koro gikwayo jogo mochung' ne choko taka kod tend county ma Bomet mondo dar kar choko taka no nikech oseketho alwora ahinya aora manyagores ma bende osebedo ka keyo pi e boma ma Bomet te.
Stop what you are doing here. This is not convenient to the environment of Bomet University. And that is the reason as to why today we are using peaceful ways to urge you to stop what you are doing. And we are giving you 7 days ultimatum. If you will continue directing the tractors here, we are going to tell you, we are going to organize riot.
As the school students, we were not involved as public participation for that construction. Number 2, the dump site is neighboring the land where the school is planning to construct the school hostels, and that won't be the good environment for the students. Number 3, the dump site is near the water, that is River Nyongores, so that won't be a good health environment for the student. Reason, the same water is being supplied for the whole county for the comrades.
Nekoronga juanga ka yor nyuolo tije ne rowere moko ko manyuola host chako chenro mar neno